During childhood, most of us used to look forward to celebrating our birthdays. Those elegant decorations, sumptuous feasts, voices filled with happiness and joy, the little surprises packed in vibrant gift wraps. They are all preserved forever as happy memories in our minds. But as we grow up, our birthdays begin losing their charm. There comes a time when we start treating them like any other day. The birthday reminds us that another year has gone by. Surely we are getting older. Our life on earth is ephemeral and time limited. A disillusionment creeps in, and we realize that we are carrying a lengthy list of unaccomplished aspirations. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I'm back with a sunshine smile. This is forever special, and we are talking about birthdays being special days, and they are worth celebrating. Friends, did you know that your birthday holds an immense spiritual significance? It is the best time to revive your deeper aspiration for an enlightened existence and make a promise to your body, mind, and soul to move in that direction. It is that special day when the cosmos showered you with grace, giving you a human body so that you develop your faculties to the level where you can unite with the divine. According to the mother of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, the birthday is one of those days in the year when the Supreme descends into us. One of those days when our soul is in contact with the eternal, and if we remain a little conscious, we can feel the presence within us. If we make a little effort on this day, we can accomplish the work of many lives in a lightning flash. On our birthday, we should express gratitude to the Divine for giving us this wonderful opportunity to exist, grow, and blossom. We should not worry about the past or the future. Rather, recall the people who have given us unconditional love, care, and support. We should take time to tell them how grateful and blessed we feel to have them in our life. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome forgiveness in your heart. Forgiving yourself for hurting others and forgiving those who have hurt you. Cleansing yourself of all the bitterness in the process. After doing this, we should concentrate within and feel the divine presence. We should think of ways in which we can deepen our surrender and see the eternal flame in our consciousness for all times to come. We should never lose hope during the darkest moments, because the eternal light continues to glow within us. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.